Welcome back to Travel Trove, your passport to exploring the most fascinating destinations on Earth. Today, we're heading to a place that's as remote as it gets, the North Pole. Some say Santa Claus lives here, but let's set aside the jolly guy in red and get into what's actually at the top of the world. First off, the North Pole isn't solid ground. It's a giant sheet of floating sea ice over the Arctic Ocean. That's right, you're walking on frozen water. Pro tip, don't try planting a flag here because the ice moves about 10 centimeters per second. So your "I conquered the North Pole" selfie might end up 10 kilometers away by the time you upload it. The temperatures here aren't exactly vacation-friendly. Winter lows can hit minus 40 degrees Fahrenheit, and summers barely scrape past 32 degrees. It's a place where your eyelashes might freeze if you blink too slowly. For half the year, it's pitch black, and the other half, it's all daylight. You'll either need night vision goggles or the best blackout curtains money can buy. Wildlife at the North Pole is limited, but it's iconic. Polar bears roam the ice, but if you see one, you're either lucky or about to become part of its lunch menu. Seals also pop up for air, and sometimes narwhals, yes, the real-life unicorns of the sea, make an appearance. Birds like Arctic terns travel absurd distances to get here, probably just to flex on the rest of us. For adventurers, there are a few ways to visit. You can ski to the North Pole, but be prepared to burn about 5,000 calories a day. Perfect if you're looking for the ultimate cheat day. Helicopter tours are another option, offering quick access to the top of the world for those short on time. Standing at the geographic North Pole is a surreal experience, but keep in mind there's no infrastructure, no gift shops, no Wi-Fi, just ice and the knowledge that you're at one of the most unique places on Earth. Here's something you probably didn't know. Compasses don't work properly at the North Pole. Magnetic north is not the same as the geographic North Pole, so traditional navigation tools won't help. Additionally, there's no official time zone here. You can pick whichever one you like. Researchers and explorers usually stick to the time zone of their departure point for simplicity. The North Pole is also a hotspot for scientific research. Temporary camps are set up here to study climate change, ice dynamics, and ocean currents. The ice is only about 6 to 10 feet thick, and while this might seem sturdy, it's constantly shifting, which adds an extra challenge for scientists working in the region. These studies are critical for understanding how changes in the Arctic impact the rest of the world. In conclusion, the North Pole is not just a mythical place from holiday stories. It's a floating, freezing, ever-changing part of our planet that's packed with unique experiences and some pretty wild facts. If you're the kind of person who wants to say you've been to the literal top of the world, this is your chance. Thanks for joining us on this chilly adventure. If you enjoyed learning about the North Pole, give us a like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay in the loop with Travel Trove. Until next time, keep exploring and discovering the amazing corners of our world.